Got back to working on the Toyota again. Got the stripes taken off. You can see how much this paint is faded, how dark that truck was under the stripes. The gray was really faded out on it. Let's get those off. Got the mirrors off, the trim around the windshield. I want to show you what's causing the rust on the inside of the bed. Taking these inside panels off right here, you can see what's going on. The reason why there's rust all in these joints right here is because people don't ever take these inside panels off and clean out. You see that? And under there, okay, you see that right there? That builds up over years, and it causes rust on the inside and the out. So we got some pretty serious rust on this outside right here, and I'm gonna sandblast the inside and the out, get rid of the rust. But these need to be taken off every so often and clean that stuff out right there. See, that's what's really bad, is the rust that starts in behind these. Like I said, it's time consuming taking all these stripes off and everything. But whoever had done it before had just taped up around the stripes and painted, without taking the stripes off. And I don't know why they do that, because of money, but it sure makes it hard on the next guy. I'm making a little progress, a little here, a little there.